Today we will be having a look at another rifle scope, in this case a Leupold scope from their Mk4 tactical optics series. This is not an unboxing as such. I've had this scope for around 6 or 7 years. This has been on one of my rifles, a Remington 700 in 308. And I sold that particular rifle some time back, but I did keep the rifle scope because the person buying the rifle did not want to pay for this. These are not a cheap optic in Australia. They have a lifetime warranty, and from memory this rifle scope cost around the $1,500 mark, which is a lot of dollars. As you can see, this is a Mk4 6.5 to 20 by 50 millimeter. Now let's have a look what's in the box. After I took this optic off the rifle, when I sold the rifle, I packed it all back into the box as it came. It's got all the original manuals and instructions in the box. So this could be considered an unboxing. Let's have a look what we've got. Here's the original NRA pamphlet that comes in the box to urge you to join the National Rifle Association. Here's a guide manual for the ranging system that's installed in that rifle scope, in those optics, and it's for the tactical milling reticle. Here is the owner's manual for the optic. And there's your product registration and warranty card. I did not use this when I registered my optic because I did all my registration online. And this registers you for your lifetime warranty. Okay, let's have a look at the actual optic. This thing is actually a work of art. It's absolutely beautiful. Even after having been fitted on the rifle, there's not a mark on the turret. And that's just testament to fitting the scope properly and also to the quality of the optic. It's got your parallax adjustment on the side, and you've got your point of impact adjustment on the side for your left and right, and the top for your up and down. And as you can see, you can take these off with a little Allen key there, and once you've sighted your optic in to your rifle, you can then set that to 0. And then if you've made adjustments, you can always return back to your original setting. And same with this one. There's your magnification, which goes from 6.5 all the way up to 20. So it's a 6.5 by 20. This is a great quality item, and back when these were still being manufactured, the US military were using these on their sniper rifles. So this thing is not a toy, it is a military grade sniper systems optic. These things are not cheap. However, they come with an unconditional lifetime guarantee, and they are a military grade optic. Was used by the US military as well as possibly other military forces on their sniper rifles that they actually use in combat. And personally, I think well worth the money. I've also bought these, which are additional extra, and they're flip up covers that attach to the ends to protect your lenses, and they simply thread on there, and there's a special locking ring that locks them into any position that you like, and then they just flip up like that. And and the front one works the exact same way. And it just flips up. These are made from aircraft grade aluminium, machined, not out of plastic. Overall, I absolutely love this optic and I would highly recommend it. I believe these are no longer made and they have now been replaced with a different series of optics, but if you can pick one of these up second hand at a good price, I recommend grabbing it. If you have found this video informative or interesting, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions in relation to this optic, please leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, I have just ordered myself a brand new rifle for this optic to go on. So there will be further videos on how to fit this optic, which mounts to use, and also an unboxing of the rifle. So there's plenty more videos coming up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.